We're going to show you how to pin curl your hair after you received your curls. A lot of times you're going to want to go to sleep and keep that same style up. So I'm going to show you how to pin curl it so that you can keep your curls fresh and bouncy like they were the first day you got them done. So you're going to take the hair and you're going to kind of roll it under your finger like this. You're going to have a little piece of the hair at the end of it hanging over your index finger. And you're just going to roll it. And you're going to get a hairpin. Like this. Open it up. You're going to place that hairpin right in there so that this looks like a roll. The idea of this is to, and sometimes you could put a couple more in there if you feel like it's not secured enough, but you're going to want to place that hairpin right in there so that it secures. So it looks like a roll. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want it to be hold that roll so that when you wake up, it's not flat. You're gonna take it, this part, and you're gonna do it again. And roll it under your fingers, just like this, where it looks like a roll. You can do more if you like, but most people want to have as less as possible so they could not have to spend much time on this while they're trying right before they have to go to sleep. You can even use clips if you would like, those silver clips, but sometimes those are uncomfortable for people, so they don't like to use those. So hairpins are another option, and me personally, I like using hairpins because they're a little bit more comfortable for the hair and they just feel a little bit better for you. And this is just going to keep her curls overnight so that when she wakes up in the morning, she could just undo them. She can run her fingers through them and go on about her day. Again, you want to take the hair and you want to kind of fold it under your finger and you want to roll. This particular pin curl is a flat one. These are the ones that you would see like people actually wearing as a style sometimes, like brides may wear when they get like a updo. You could do these as well to go to sleep in. The idea is just that you have a way to form that hair like a curl so that when you wake up, you're not having to use that iron on the hair all the time. You want to place that in there sort of like that. And you can get a couple more if you want to. Sometimes you can get, if you feel like you want to do bigger sections, you can, or if you feel like you want smaller sections, you can. Just go according to how your curls are. If you have big curls, take a big section. If you have small, tight curls, then you can do smaller sections. Again, I don't know if you can see that good, but this one is just a different one than the ones on the bottom. These are more rolled under. These are more flat to the head. You could do a mixture of both. You want to make sure you're rolling the hair according to how the curls are. So if your curls are going under, you want to roll under. If your curls are flipped up, you can actually do that with the pin curl as well. You can flip it up and go this way if you like. But her curls are not that way, so we're gonna take that down and just gonna roll it under like this. Do that over. So if you can see that, this is another flat one. I'm going to show you the other one once more so you can get the idea again. And it's up to you which ones you want to do. You just want to make sure that it matches the type of curls that you have in your head. Show you this other one again. Take the hair, have it dangling down like that. I'm gonna turn, 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 like the wheels on the bus. Do that one over again. If you're doing this at home yourself, again, you don't have to do so many. You can, you know, section it off and do the bigger sections. So I know sometimes you're ready to hurry up and get to bed, but this is very important if you want to keep your curls. If you don't care, you don't have to do this. But if you're trying to keep that style looking good and lasting, you do want to pin curl your hair at night before you go to sleep. Sometimes I'll do this. I'll curl my hair right before I have to go somewhere, and then I'll pin it up and leave it in there a couple hours, and then I take it down and my curls are just as bouncy and looking good like I had those in overnight. So that's another option if you didn't want to sleep in them, just wanted to kind of do it in the morning. You want to make sure it's secured so that it doesn't come off. So I'm gonna do this one over again. Again, this is for you to go to sleep with, so it doesn't have to be beautiful. It's not a style. You can make it look good. There are styles that have lots of pin curls if you would want to, but this is for you to maintain your hair at night before you go to sleep.